Hello, tea lovers! Have you ever wondered how a simple cup of tea can boost your immune system? Which herbal teas are the most effective? And how can you easily incorporate them into your daily routine? Stay tuned, because we're about to explore these questions and more. Plus, I have a special tip for you at the end of this video. But before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to join our Thrive Healthy family. Let's uncover 5 powerful herbal teas that can enhance your immune system. First up is ginger tea. Ginger is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help strengthen your immune response. Brewing fresh ginger tea is simple. Just grate some fresh ginger into hot water, let it steep, and enjoy. Next, we have turmeric tea. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Combine turmeric with a dash of black pepper to enhance absorption. Pour hot water, and your immune-boosting tea is ready. Elderberry tea is another excellent choice. Elderberries are rich in antioxidants and vitamins that can bolster your immune system. Steep dried elderberries in hot water for a few minutes. Strain and sip this delicious tea. Don't overlook rosehip tea. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, rosehips can help protect your body from common colds. Steep dried rosehips in boiling water, strain, and enjoy a tangy, health-promoting beverage. Lastly, moringa tea is a nutrient-dense option that supports overall health and immunity. Use dried moringa leaves to brew a tea that's both nourishing and refreshing. Now, for that special tip I promised. Combining these herbs can create a synergistic effect, providing even greater immune support. For example, try blending ginger and turmeric for a spicy, health-boosting tea. Experiment with different combinations to find your perfect immune-boosting blend. Which herbal tea are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health tips.